Meaning of Edward Carson.
Edward Carson.
Edward Carson.
Edward Carson.
Edward Carson. Edward Carson was a prominent politician and barrister in Northern Ireland during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. He is perhaps best known for his role as the leading opponent of Irish Home Rule, which sought to grant greater autonomy to Ireland. Carson was a key figure in the formation of the Ulster Volunteer Force, a paramilitary group that opposed Home Rule and played a significant role in the events leading up to the partition of Ireland in 1921. His legacy continues to be felt in Northern Ireland today, where he is regarded as a polarizing and controversial figure.